Hi, this is Tom. This week we're going to be making tongs. I'm going to be showing you tong blanks, using a saddle for the power hammer to isolate material with a power hammer, drawing down and punching holes on a fly press. So I want to show you how I make most of my tongs. It's a very traditional method, although I'll be using the power hammer with a saddle tool I made. I'm using 20mm round here, but really any chunky size will do. I'm aware I've done a few explainer tutorial type videos recently, so you're probably all sick of hearing my voice, so I'll let the video speak for itself on this one. these are the tong blanks, they're all done. Basically, I have taken a hand file and just filed that surface down a little bit. It's the contact surface. I've filed this edge here where the jaws are hinged. I haven't riveted them up, although I have drilled these holes out to, I think, 10.5. This is a 10mm rivet. But I haven't connected them because they're tong blanks and they're ready to be turned into whatever useful tongs you need. You could hold flat bar, square bar, round bar. You could also make pickup tongs with this method, pliers, any sort of thing that you need, really. I'm going to turn them into something, not quite sure yet, but we'll film that and get a video sorted. Part 2 will be out in a few days. Might do a midweek video to show you what I turn these into. That's also where you'll see me rivet them up, which also looks cool. So make sure to check that out.